Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can get this cool wallpaper, this cool keyboard, the Keys Cafe from the Samsung. This is one of the most beautiful theme of the keyboard that you can actually find as a default on all the devices. So if you want to make it, I'll show you step by step how we can get it, but at the first I'm going to delete this Samsung app. So right now it's deleted, so we have to go for the browser. You can use the Samsung browser, the Google browser, never mind. And right now you have to tap on the search pool and then type Keys Cafe APK download. And then we can get this version from apklinker.com 1.001.8 for the Android 11 Plus. So let's go there. And right now we have to scroll down, click on the download APK, close this ad, tap to download, and as you can see it's finished, so we can open a file to download. Let's click on the settings. Okay, never mind, let's go back here. Let's click download another time. Let's open it another time, click on the settings, tap on the switcher, then just go back, click install. And as you can see it's finished. So right now we can open. Tap on both switchers and then go for the style our own keyboard. And as you can see here we can change the values of the styles. Let's pick it like that. Then just simply go back, you don't have to do anything more. Then go for the keyboard and take a look. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.